In 2020, COVID-19 pandemic hit us all and the world went into standstill.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी सबुठारु बड़ घोषणा 21 दिन पूरा देश में ताला बंद। 21 दिन होची सबुठारु महत्वपूर्ण समय।
आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
With everything locked down, education system got severely affected by it. Schools, colleges, universities being closed uncertainly loomed over education of school-going kids to postgraduate students. But soon, government decided to continue the studies digitally via online classes. Instead of physical classrooms, classes were held in virtual classrooms via applications like WhatsApp, Zoom, and Google Hangout.
I thought we were gonna stop our education for a year. I thought that thing. Then government introduced a trendy thing, which was the online classes, and I felt like it is okay. People gonna have it.
Actually, this COVID-19 pandemic has actually triggered new ways of learning. And when the virtual mode of teaching was the only rescue at that time.
Initially, I thought it is a challenge for me because it was totally a new concept as far as online teaching is concerned. But anyhow, very quickly I could get into it. Within few classes, I got accustomed to the online teaching.
The online teaching itself was a very new experience for all of us. Though we were not very proficient in this, we began to adopt this new technology into our teaching pattern.
कोरोना कटकणा जो सारा देश में शिक्षादान प्रक्रिया प्रभावित होता बेले एथिपाई विभिन्न शिक्षानुष्ठान पक्षर ऑनलाइन पाठपढ़ा करा जाउछि। एहाकु नजर रखी केंद्र मानव संबल विकास मंत्रालय पक्षर नुआ गाइडलाइंस जारी करा जाइछि।
समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग। तो दीदी सेई टाइम रे खाली घरे बसिबा अपेक्षा पाठठू पूरा होछि अटैचमेंट छाड़ी दबा अपेक्षा ऑनलाइन टा होछि बेटर थिला।
While homes became classrooms, the challenges of digital teaching and learning were compounded by limited know-how, inadequacy of internet infrastructure, and a not so ideal home environment.
बेसिक प्रॉब्लम थिला हमर होछि हेला नेटवर्क इश्यू रहउथिला। सेटा खाली गां मानकर भी प्रॉब्लम रहउ नथिला। आमे से नेटवर्क इश्यूटा आमे होछि सिटीजन ने टाउन ने भी बहुत फेस करूथिलु। कनेक्टिविटी डिस्कनेक्टिविटी हैपेंस फ्रॉम बोथ साइड। इफ वी डोंट हैव अ वेरी गुड internet connectivity, though it was ensured from our side that we used to have a high internet connectivity, but sometimes from students and might not be possible.
The problem of time limit was basically because they were having more than 1 or 2 classes in a day. So in that case, they had limited data with them also. So the problem is that we managed to have 1 or 2 classes maximum per day, so that it could be convenient for them.
केवल मोबाइल से पढ़िले आपण मोबाइल टा जति हम किछि खेती करी सेठी पढुचन सेठी सोई पढुचंदी.
The show must go on. Considering the risk of COVID-19, teachers and students continued the online classes and with time adapted to the new system in their own special ways.
In an English class, it consists of more than 200 students. So I had to switch over one medium so that where I could bring them together, I could divide them into groups, and I tried to overcome the problem, and we had our classes running very smoothly during this pandemic.
One constant missing was the physical interaction and the benefits of physical classrooms.
I missed a lot. I even missed my lectures and the teachers, they were behaving to us. We had a very fun, nice environment and I missed it a lot.
ता फ्रेंड सर्कल से बसी पाठ पढ़िया चाहूँगी कि सेटा तो एबे हेई पानी कि सेटा भलो स्कूल मिस ता सहित डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट रे आसीबे ठीक कोन से ऑनलाइन ए कहिबे को पिला पढुचनी को पिला पढनंदी ये सिना पढि दोछि कि आ चटा पिला पढुनंदी.
With a better infrastructure and a proven system in place, online classes can be a sustainable and alternative option in future.
Very, very happy with this new trend that has been incorporated by the government, and we are happy with the new medium of teaching.
As the pandemic losing its effect, institutions have started opening gradually. Students are returning to their temple of knowledge, and teachers are happy to see their apprentices safe and sound.
We are very happy to see our students back in the classrooms. So we are enjoying, our students are feeling very relieved that after a long time, after say 9-10 months, they have come to the classrooms.
Very soon, things might go back to normal again, with a hope that it won't happen again. But even if it happens, we shall be better prepared to face it.